So tell me the make, model, and the year of your bike. He knows.
It's a Triumph Triple 2011.
2000
cc.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it your first bike? How long you've been riding?
I've been riding a long time, man.
You have? So this is bike number what?
5.
Bike number 5?
Yeah. I usually ride R1s.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
So is it the only bike you have at this time, or do you have more than one bike?
It's all I got now.
This is all you got now?
I usually roll with one at a time.
Oh, one at a time.
Yeah,
Now, why did you choose Triumph as a brand versus the same naked style Suzuki or a Beamer? What was your thinking on that?
You know, no crazy thoughts behind it. Just
Okay.
I like the styling.
Is it the styling? Did it suit you when you tried it, or what was the?
Yeah. Just the styling is what drew me to it, and once I hopped on it,
You hopped on it. You was in love with it.
Sense.
Did you buy it brand new or used?
Oh no, it's used.
It's used.
Yeah.
Somebody local or from?
Yeah, someone local.
Someone local.
Yeah.
So what's your plan with it? You gonna keep it for a while?
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I'm always open to making adjustments. So we'll see.
Making adjustments. Okay. So, what is your style of riding? Is it highway more? Is it side street? What do you like more?
I really love back roads.
Oh, you like the back roads?
I love
Okay.
curves. I love to get in a good curve. And
Oh, really?
Just really hit it. Yeah.
Cool.
Secondarily, I'll say highway.
Okay. Secondary highway.
Yeah, I don't mind a little speed.
Okay.
I have slowed down
So
a bit.
how is it? You said you ride R1. You used to.
Yep.
So when you're riding the R1, obviously this is a very different bike. So how did you fit on it with that styling difference between? Was it more comfort on this versus the R1?
Yeah, well, to be honest, I'm comfortable on the R1 because that's all I've known.
Okay.
R1s and R6s, yeah, it just feels good. But this to me is it's a little less comfortable, but
It's less comfortable?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I did not expect you to say that, just so
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah,
I thought you
yeah.
were gonna say that it's more comfortable.
Yeah, well, I enjoy tucking and hitting it, man. So
Okay.
This is a little more
So I
upright,
don't see
think.
you then keeping it for very long.
Yeah, I know. That's
I mean, the way you're talking, I feel that this is going to be a temporary thing, right?
Yeah. Well, as I get older, I think about getting rid of a sports bike, and this was me trying to calm it down a bit, but we'll see.
Cool. Well, nice meeting you. Is this the first time for you here?
It is my first time.
Oh, congratulations. This is a very nice group. You will enjoy the ride, the company of the people. Everybody is very super cool.
Thank you.
I've
man.
never had any problem. And
Okay.
have you heard of Bikes and Breakfast?
I'm not. No.
Oh, okay. So you should look up a website called Bikes and Breakfast.
Okay.
I'll send you information too.
Yeah, okay.
They have rides every Sunday in different areas.
Oh, nice.
Not rides, sorry. A get together.
Yeah,
A get
like a
together.
meetup, yeah.
A meetup every Sunday.
Cool.
And they've been doing it for the last 10 years.
Wow, that's
So,
crazy.
and the next one is going to be the biggest one
Okay.
in Clifton, Virginia.
Okay.
I don't know whereabouts you live.
I live in the city. I'm in DC.
In DC?
Yeah.
Okay, then it won't be that bad of a ride.
Okay.
If you want to come on Sunday, it'll be 8 to 11
All right,
in
nice.
Clifton, Virginia.
Nice.
Okay?
That's cool. I'll check it out.
Thank you very much.